Hey everybody, it's your girl Cece. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am excited about because I resubscribed to Boxycharm. I know this is like the 8th time that I have like canceled or resubscribed. I mean, I just have such a love-hate relationship with Boxycharm. Like, I feel like some months Boxycharm comes through, and then some months they like send repeat items or just things that nobody wants. And it's just like, oh, I wasted my money on this, But I decided to just go ahead and give them another try. I did change my preferences this time though to get half skincare and half makeup. So I'm hoping that that makes a difference and helps me like actually like the things that I get. So my listen, I don't know what happened this month with the box. Like, I get the base subscription, so I don't get like, the premium or the luxe or anything. I just get the regular smuggler basic. And let me tell you, like, literally I'm recording this video. It is the 28th. Okay, so I have been waiting all month long. Like, I have literally, like, everybody that I follow has done unboxings except for me, and I keep commenting the same thing, like, I love your box, but I'm still waiting on mine. Like, what is happening with the shipping? Girl, I don't know. But I finally got my box. It is right here in my hot little hands. I'm super excited. So I'm going to be unboxing this for you guys, and I'm also going to be doing a try on. I do have just a little bit of makeup on, so I'm hoping that they didn't send me products that I already have on. And in the background, my son is up and playing in the background, so if you hear baby noises in the background, that is my son, Manny. But let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. This is what it looks like inside. So it's red. And then that is the inside of the box. So I always like to start with the card. So this is the card for this month. It says Sweet Treats is the theme. And it does have the names of the products as well as the prices. So I will be able to tell you how much everything costs. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing that I see in here is by Kinder Beauty, and it's their Kinder Glow Highlight Palette. Looks like that. And let's open this baby up and see what she is all about. I really like the packaging. This pink and gold is really, really cute. Okay, it has a nice little mirror. And then those are the highlight shades. So we have Gracious, Angel, Loving, and Kindly. So those are the shades. So I'm going to be swatching them for you guys. So these are the two top shades. This is Gracious and this is Angel. So those are those two swatches right there. So the swatches came out really nice. So I think these are going to be really super pretty on. And then these are the bottom two shades, Loving and Kindly. So those are all of the shade swatch right there. So super pretty. My only complaint, you guys know, like, I always like products to be inclusive for all skin tones. This is definitely not. Like, I mean, if you're light to medium, yeah, but if you're darker than a medium skin tone, these are definitely going to look ashy on you. That would be my only complaint. But this looks really, really good. And this retails for $15. So not a bad price point for that. I would definitely pay $15. Oh my God, I'm so super excited. I was really hoping that I was going to get this. Okay, so I got the Natasha Denona Ayana palette. I have been wanting to try Natasha Denona's products for so long because, girl, Natasha is freaking expensive, okay? So I'm so glad that this came in here. I'm kind of bummed because I got the neutral palette, and I really would have liked the other palette they had with the more like spring colors, but it's fine. You know, we're gonna do a look with it. So this is the palette that I got that is more like neutral tone. So that is the palette right there, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the colors. And this palette looks to be really, really pigmented. And so those are the swatches right there. That last swatch did not come out well, but those are the colors. So I'm really hoping that this lives up to my expectations, because I have been wanting to try this for like a really long time. Let's see, because I know it's gonna be expensive. Oh, $48. Maybe because it only comes with 5 shades. So, I mean, it's not too bad. Not too bad. Beauty Diva London. This is the Diva Eye Brush set. Looks like that. And this is a cruelty-free line, as I know a lot of you guys like products that are cruelty-free. So this is cruelty-free. So this comes with, let's see how many brushes you get. So it looks like you get 4 brushes in this set. I really like this orange color, super cute. Like this texture that is going on the handles. That's really cute. So this looks like it's just kind of like an eyeshadow brush that you could use for like your lid shade. And then this brush is like a blending brush. And then this one is a crease brush for sure. And then this one is a liner brush. So all in all, I felt like this is a really good selection of brushes. So I'm really excited to use those. And this brush set retails for $48 as well. A couple more products. It looks like they gave me a good amount of products this month. So the next thing that I have in here is by Dominique Cosmetics, and this is the Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner, and I am in the shade Crush. This is the packaging. Super, super cute. And it has like a slanted kind of tip. Ooh. It's really creamy and pigmented. That was just one swipe. So it looks like this is going to be really, really good. And I do like that this is kind of like a neutral color that'll go with like a lot of lipsticks. So super, super cute. So I'm definitely excited to use that. And this retails for $18. And it looks like the next 2 things that I have are skincare products. So I'm not going to be demoing those in the try-on portion because I've already done my makeup and everything. The first product is by Earth Harbor. And this is the Aurora Superfood Luminous. And I do not know what this is for, so I'm going to read the card. So it says that it's supposed to give you dewy skin. So I'm guessing it's like some type of like a serum. It says apply 1 or more drops to your skin after cleansing and toning if needed. So yeah, so I think this is basically like a serum, which I can always use one of those. So this is what it looks like. So it definitely looks light. It looks kind of like oil-based maybe, but it is infused with sea greens and cannabis hemp. So it comes with the little dropper. Oh, yeah, I don't like the smell. I'm really not a fan of the smell. I don't know if that's the sea greens or the cannabis, but it stinks to me. So yeah, so I definitely would not want to use anything on my skin that I don't like the smell of. So I'm probably just going to Poshmark or Macari this. I probably won't even try that because I just literally cannot get past the smell of it. But this retails for $32. And then the last thing that I have in my box, which is actually a really big size. This is the Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleansing Toner, which, girl, I can always use a toner. So I'm super excited about that. It says that this is alcohol free. It exfoliates, cleans the pores, and controls oil, which, girl, It is 80 degrees outside right now, so anything that can help keep this shine down, yes, give me it, okay? So yeah, this feels really heavy. This is like a really good size. This is 4 fluid ounces. I'm super excited for this try on. So let's go ahead and move on to the try on portion of the video. Okay, you guys, so this is the eye look. It probably would have turned out better if I would have had like eyeliner to use, because I'm all out of eyeliner. I definitely need to go pick some eyeliner up this week. But as far as the eyeshadow look is concerned, I mean, I'm not like a super huge fan of it, but it's not horrible either. Like, I would say applying the formula, it felt really like buttery and creamy. So I can definitely see Natasha Denona's price point, but these shades were just not my vibe. Like, the green shade on the lid was cute. I ain't even gonna lie. Like, the shimmer shade was cute, but the mattes were just okay in my opinion. Like, this is not a palette that I would honestly be excited to gravitate back. These highlight shades though. So I think I'm gonna try this marble shade right here, because that looks like really freaking cute. I don't know how well this is translating on camera, but in person, this is really cute. It's just like a subtle highlight moment. I mean, you can definitely build this up, but it's not blinging, you know, but it's enough, you know what I'm saying? So if you're somebody that just wants like a nice highlight, you know, that's just a little something but not blinding to where to like work or whatever, this would be really, really cute. I said, I do not feel like the Natasha Denona lived up to the hype. I don't. Like, I'm not a fan, honestly, you know. I mean, if I got these in like my Boxycharm or like a subscription box, I would use the products, but I would never spend like my personal money on Natasha Denona. Definitely not. But this highlight palette was really, really cute. This is something that I would honestly wear for every day, honestly. So this was really cute, and I like the brushes as well. So thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe. And I told y'all will hear Manny in the background. He is always popping in. But like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.